Hi everyone, I'm Zenobia Mertel. Welcome to Inspired Living. Today, we are talking with Courtney Lively. Okay, she's a photographer, she's doing what she loves, but today the story is more about how she got there because Courtney, everybody wants to do what they love, but when you're a mom, when you're a wife, when you have other expectations, it's so hard, right, to pull out and start the career or do what you really love and feed your soul. Tell us how you were able to figure that out in your journey.
Yeah, I agree. It's really hard as a mother and as a wife. So often we're the ones that end up making so many compromises for ourselves, for the family unit. But I actually had some tragedies happen to me early on in my career. I was working at a marketing agency and I lost my really good friend and my boss tragically. Right around the same time, my father was diagnosed with terminal cancer, and then soon after, my mother as well. And so I really got a slap in the face from life early that it is short and really, really precious. And that was the time in my life where I said, oh my gosh, if I have to spend so much of my life working, because money is important, we have to take care of ourselves, we have to take care of our family, then I'm gonna do it doing things that I can feel passionate about and that can fuel my soul and feel good at the end of the day.
Oh, that's amazing. Oftentimes tragedy happens and sometimes people stop in their tracks, but you used it to fuel yourself and see a different perspective, which is hard to do. If someone's in that position right now, how do you break through that fear? What would you say?
It is really hard, and I feel really lucky that I was able to turn my pain into something beautiful. The way I see it, every morning that I wake up and I can take a big, deep breath, that's a miracle. And so I try to live my life every day, honoring the people that I have lost, that I love very much, and making them proud in different ways. They don't get to be here anymore, but I do. And so I can honor them in the way that I live my life and the way that I love people and the way that I work hard. And it feels really good at the end of the day.
So how do you live your most inspired life? And you talked a little bit about what you're grateful for, waking up every day, but what do you exactly do to stay inspired?
Totally. I think that part of that is just staying true to myself. Like I said earlier, as women, so often we are the one making compromises, but I learned that when I did that, I wasn't happy, and I wasn't feeling fulfilled. And the more that I stopped looking to other people what success looks like and just went inward and said, what feels good to me? What's gonna fuel my soul? That's when the success truly followed, because I was doing things that made me happy. And then in doing that, I wanted to work hard. And then in doing that, it showed in the work that I delivered to my clients. And it all came full circle.
That's a beautiful story, Courtney. Thank you for sharing that with us. And if you want to learn more about Courtney and about her business and her photography, you can connect with her through our website, inspiredmedia360tv.com. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you next time.